Hi guys, today I have GMC Savana 2023 USA. I'm going to program the remote control spare. This one is the original remote, this part number. So I'm going to program it using Autel KM100. So this is a part number, so you can see. And this new remote is not working, and this is the original one, is working. So I'm going to make the spare, but this spare remote, when you are going to do the spare, it will be erase the old remote and reprogram again. Okay, so let's see how to do it using Autel KM100. Go to Emo. GM manual selected, GMC Savana 2022-2023 blade, yes. So keep the devices here. Okay, go to control unit, remote system. We are going to do add remote, no problem. You can do the remote learning or add remote, no issues. Switch ignition on, switch is on already, press OK. So now you see here is the remote learning is active. So within 60 seconds you have to press all the remotes you have it, lock and unlock button for the 14 seconds. Keep on pressing. Is success. The original one also. Original is no need because it's already programmed and I put the add remote control, so no need to that program the reprogram the original one. Only the new one is I just program it now and wait it for 60 seconds. Done, I think. Processor complete, press OK. Yeah, I put the add remote, so no need to program the original one. And remote learning is gone. Close the ignition and try the new remote. It's working. Try the old one. It's also working fine. So this 2023 GMC Savana USA market. Okay, original remote.